Christine Debu, the executive director of South Sudanese Indigenous Refugee Relief and Support Organization that helps support the vulnerable communities, donates shillings 2 million to the Azande community in Kiriandongo. The 2 million shillings was handed over to Community Concern Empowerment Initiative Group, a community-based organization in Kiriandongo refugee camp.
الكريم عشان إنت ساعدنا في كل اليوم الورا ويتجيبنا بالسلام في صباح الليلة. نينا بنادي الروح بتاعك القدوس عشان يكون معنا هنا. كل كلمات الجينا فوقه كليتا ساعدنا عشان كلمشي بطريقة بتاعك واسم بتاعك بمجيدو. نينا أسأل ده كله باسم يسوع المسيح.
أنا اسم تايميري ستيفن يواسا. أنا في منظمة Community Concern Empowerment Incentive. أنا بشكرا كريستين أسانوا أقدروا بيت كونديشن تانا. أنا كان لقوا مسج من Evangelist Philip وكان رسول كروس لنا 2 مليون. وريلانا تفاصيل أسانانا بجسم جروزة. وقال في دير دفايال تا مدرسة 900. يا أنا جسم جروزة 900 بارا. باقي جروز فادل 1 مليون 100. 1 مليون 100. كدنا بيو حاجات عشان بيجسموا له members بتاع community concern. أنا رافي سوق يا نبيو حاجات يا أصل زمان تقاين فراتين أجي ده حاجات على النبيو. أنا ديكونس في كنيسة ده وأنا member في community concern. زمان إتكون عارف قالي chair person تانا وما في أسرع عليان في منه هنا. زمان وجي سافي وجيب لنا فايلات community concern. وقال كده أنا أمسك فايلات ده وبيجا. na أولي ما جا. بعدين وجا رسول لنا message on the 27. لادو أمباري 28. لسه أنا شغالين في message على رسول لنا ده. يا لكاد يوم تادرا هو لنا إنه كده نادي members في سويا حاجة عشان إننا بقدروا share في محل واحد.
In the first place, we want to thank God so much that He is keeping us and is so merciful to us because He is the one touching the hearts of those who are thinking about us and trying to support this little group from abroad. Our daughter and our sister, Madame Christine Debu, especially her organization, which is known as South Sudanese Indigenous Refugee Relief and Support Organization. We want to thank her so much because she has a compassionate heart for us. Since the time she first came to this refugee camp, I think it was last year, and she saw that her people are here and the situation in which they are is this much. Her heart has never rested. She has been struggling day and night to see that at least she sends something small that can support the vulnerable group, especially the elderly people, the disabled, the orphans, the widows.
Community Concern Empowerment Initiative Group bought a lot of food items that were given to both men, women, boys and girls, and out of this amount, 900,000 shillings was left with the purpose of school fees.
Yeah, my name is Elias Mbikoyo Musungu, a refugee from Kiriandongo settlement. I really glad for this service, more especially during this world pandemic. I appreciate members who at least think to help us during this pandemic diseases. Much of all, they reduce the ratio of our food. I thank really those people who take their time and give support to us. We appreciate it, and it's really going to help us. May God bless the hand what it help us.
My name is Aggie Grace Philip. I'm from Chiriadongo settlement in the camp. I want to thank all the people who are supporting us, especially we girls. It's very difficult for us to find these special needs for us. Like always, it is too hard for us to find it. So we really thank you. We appreciate you for providing these things for us. And we are also praying that you should be supporting us in anything that you get. Support the girls, because it is very difficult for us as girls to find these things. It can also lead to drop out from school, because sometimes we girls, we fear that when we don't have such things, it can also discourage us in class. So these are the things that we are facing as girls. That's why we are thanking you people. We are appreciating you for the wonderful things that you are giving us, the gifts. May God bless you and you keep on supporting us. Thanks.